In this video, I'm going to show you how to import SketchUp to Revit. Now to do this, first you want to have a SketchUp file. Usually it's going to be a .skp file. So when you actually have it on your computer, you want to go to the Insert tab up top and you want to click on where it says Import CAD, okay? So just click on Import CAD over here, and down here under Files of Type, usually it's going to be the DWG file by default. So just click on here and select this one, which is SketchUp Files or .skp, as I mentioned earlier, okay? So just click on that, and then from here you want to find your file. So just go ahead and look for it. For me, I have one in here. Click on it and then click on Open. Now whenever you do this, it's going to start loading, and when it opens, you'll see your SketchUp file imported into your project over here, okay? Depending on the size of your file, it's going to take a few seconds, up to like a few minutes, but there we go. For me, it's been done. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.